Hi there, and welcome to the Geonics channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up a proxy in the Shadowsocks Android app. First, launch the app. On the right side of the interface, tap the Custom button, then hit the plus icon to add new configuration and choose Manual Setup. We'll be using a SOCKS proxy for this example. In this setup window, enter your proxy's IP address and port. If you're using a private proxy, fill in the username and password fields below. If it's a public proxy, you can skip that part. Once everything's filled out, tap the disk icon in the top right corner to save your settings. That's it! The proxy is now added. To connect, just select the configuration you've created and tap Connect on the main screen. If you need to make changes or remove the proxy later, first disconnect. Go back to the Custom section, tap on the desired proxy and edit or delete its parameters. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, geonics.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.